We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 393, part 1. DRYTRON versus Danger ORCUST. Hold on here. I end up winning game 1. Game 2 he just scooped. I went to overkill on the combo. I got ashed on the alpha. Nova Delta. We got Alpha or Zeta Delta. Zeta's gonna add Ritual Delta, Tribute Alpha, activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. No, summon Diviner. I probably should have summoned Diviner first and then got the Ben 10. Then how would I get ultimateness? Summon, effect, dump, effect, add, overlay, effect, dump, effect, tribute, special, activate, special, detach, link, effect, pay, copy, fusion, dump those two, effect, decrease, add, effect, target, make it a dark, negate, discard, and my turn. Danger Nessie, sent Gizmek, Call by the Grave, Gamma, okay, Danger Nessie, he Nessied himself, so it's gonna add the snake effect, chain, negate, discard, Gizmek, and then Barricade Borg Blocker is gonna send the Crescendo. He said how come he can't activate the Crescendo here? Banish this card from your graveyard. Add to your hand one card that is banished or in your deck. You're not supposed to summon. Except dark machine monsters. Oh, that's why he couldn't, because these are not machine. This is not a machine, and I conflicted with Crescendo. There was just all machines, and yeah, that's why he wasn't able to activate Crescendo right now. He's gonna attack, effect, make the attack go to 0. Now he's gonna activate the Crescendo, banish to add the Girsu. And from here I kinda overkilled it. Popped. Decrease attack by 1000, add back. Tribute, special, effect, add. Delta. Tribute, Ben 10. Activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Ben 10. Diviner. Almost summon Diviner, activate effect, 10 dark light effect, add Midionos, Draconids, overlay Fafnir, dump Gamma, DRYTRON, Midionos, send for Ben 10, Beatrice detach, send Eva effect, banish those two, add those two. Midionos, DRYTRON, Draconids, detach these two from Fafnir, and it was over. I was gonna try to go for the Boral Sword, but attack, and he was gonna try to Gizmek to protect, but I negated that, and Dragoon direct attack. And right here, just scoop. I think he went first and he scooped. Yeah. Let's duel. Okay. Does he have a deck? Let's check it out. Oh, it does. Erdes. 393. Go online. We did go up. We went from 12 or 1122 to 1144. 257. Oh wait, let's check out the deck first. 393. I gotta delete all these decks now. 393. Oh, it's a clean 40. Here we go. A lot of one-offs here. The triple cross out. Double crescendo. Triple Dengirsu. Not bad, looks good, just didn't draw good. Okay, where were we? 257, 258, went up by 1. Almost there, guys, for another ghost. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.